Hola gente, what's up guys? In today's video we're going to be testing out for the very first time on camera the Schwarzkopf BC BONACURE Peptide Repair Rescue Mask. I really hope I'm pronouncing that right. Have you guys ever heard of a hair mask that promises to take your hair back to its original state when it was all 100% virgin unprocessed hair? Well, that is just one of the claims of this little one that I have right here. Everything about this mask, based on its claims and product description, just sounded like a dream. So I really wanted to give it a go and see, for myself if it's actually as amazing as they just make it sound. Schwarzkopf is more of a professional type of brand. It's typically sold in salons. The claims of these masks, listen to this. It has an innovative C18 technology that replicates the architecture of virgin hair to reach a level of care closer to natural perfection than any previous technology has ever achieved. So it's pretty crazy, especially designed for damaged, distressed, or porous hair. I think I have all three, even though I do take quite good care of my hair. I also live life. I've just been in the beach. My hair went all crazy because, beach weather, all that humidity and sea salt, it's just very damaging, and all the hard water in that area also. Even though you wash your hair, it's like it's always a little bit stiff, and that kind of really dehydrates the hair. So this stuff promises to target that type of very damaged hair, promises 100% hair replenishment, 100% resilience, and 95% less hair breakage. So I'm not sure how I'm going to assess all of that, especially the hair breakage, in just one video. But if these does like half of what it promises to do, it's gonna be really good. Think about it for a second. They are promising that my bleached, damaged hair is going to go back to feeling as good as virgin hair. And there's also a shampoo and an intensive conditioner. So I just went ahead and got the intensive mask, which is supposed to be the most intensive of the entire line for extremely damaged hair that goes anywhere from normal to thick. I'm all in and intrigued, and I really want to test these out. So let's jump right into application and let's find out if this is the miracle that we've all been waiting for. So step one is already done. I shampooed my hair with a neutral drugstore, very regular type of shampoo, and I usually do that when I'm testing out hair treatments, just because I don't want to kind of add any fancy shampoo or anything that will, I don't know, maybe help the end result of the hair mask. The application is very straightforward. Basically, you apply to mid-lengths and ends, comb through, then leave it for just 5 to 10 minutes. So it's supposed to act quite fast. And the recommended frequency of application of this product is once or twice a week. So let's just go ahead and start. Very evenly distributed the product throughout my entire hair, and now that it's all clipped up and out of the way, I'm going to set the timer to 10 minutes and then I'll be back. I was just in the shower and rinsed off the product. All I can say so far is that the product smells amazing, a lot easier to remove than my L'Oreal Lipidium mask. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start blow drying my hair. So this is my hair, slightly blow dried. So I did not put a lot of effort into straightening it. I did not use a flat iron. I did not use any heat protector, hair oils, or anything like that, just because I wanted to, you know, see the final result of the actual hair treatment. But before I continue styling it a little bit, I want you guys to take a good look at how it is looking right now after some very light blow drying. Just because the whole point of me recording the whole process is that you guys, you know, draw your own conclusions, have your independent opinion just by looking at things yourself. So this is how it's looking right now. If not, I would just, you know, make a product review just telling you guys what I think and not showing you anything. So I'm also looking for your opinion. Clearly, the more you style your hair, the better it's going to look. Alright, so I just finished kind of shaping my hair a little bit so that I can better judge the final result, because this is one of my go-to styles. I did not see any kind of special frizz control. Also did not see that it helped me straighten my hair or that my hair was noticeably more manageable because of the treatment. So on those areas, I still kind of cannot give the product, you know, extra points because I haven't seen that. At least not in such a way where it's like, yes, you know, it's because of this. And I really wanted to go through each of the product claims and let you guys know what I think. So definitely the hair does feel a little bit stronger. I feel like it's not the type of hair treatment that's going to leave your hair feeling very, very silky, soft. It does not wow me on that department. I wonder if it has to do with the fact that it's actually kind of restructuring the hair from within. Regarding hair breakage, I do have this perception, and very subjective, but I do feel like I have lost a little bit less hair than I usually would when I'm blow drying, but it's not like I have scientific proof of that. And regarding moisture, I feel like there are other masks that seem to be more moisturizing. I do notice that there's a lot more shine on my hair, but I think I've seen more shine with other hair products. My Pure Tonica shampoo and conditioner, actually the conditioner, and also the L'Oreal Lipidium just give me a lot more shine, and it just feels a lot smoother. Now that said, I do wonder if it's because the Schwarzkopf BC BONACURE peptide repair rescue treatment is more focused actually on kind of restructuring the hair from within a little bit. It's not the same claims, but reminds me a little bit of, you know, the type of treatment that you're getting with Olaplex, where there's not so much of a conditioning action there. So there's a few things I want to say. First is that I do feel like this is the type of product that I need to kind of update you guys later. Definitely my hair did not just go back to its virgin hair status. So to sum up, it is an okay product. It definitely did not wow me. My expectations were actually through the roof with those claims, but I'm gonna continue using this product. I feel like I want to continue using it. I feel like it does good things to my hair, and I want to see any kind of mid and long-term results for it, so I will be updating you guys very soon. So that's it for today, guys. I truly hope that this video helped you in some way. If it did, please give it a thumbs up so that others can discover it as well. And if you're new around here, please don't be shy and subscribe. Products mentioned and used during this video, it's all going to be linked in the description box below. Thank you all so much for watching and for hanging out here with me today, and I will talk to you all again on my next one.